If you want to recover recently deleted photos on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video, I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to the Photos app. And from here, let's delete some photos. I will tap on Select. Now, for an example, I will delete these photos. Tap on Delete and select Delete Photos. Now, to recover the deleted photos, just go to the Collection section. And under the Utilities section, you will find the option of Recently Deleted. Just tap on it, and if you have set a passcode on the lock screen of your iPhone, it will ask you to enter the passcode of the lock screen of your iPhone to verify that it is you. As you can see, these are the photos which I have just deleted, and we have 29 days left to recover them. After 29 days, they will be deleted permanently. And as you can see, the older photos have 27 days left, and if you have even older photos, the remaining days will be even less. And if you have deleted a photo for more than 30 days, it will be permanently deleted from the recently deleted section. So make sure you recover your photos within 30 days. Now to recover the photos, just tap on Select and select the photos which you want to recover. For example, I will recover these photos. After you select the photos, then tap on the three dots over here and select Recover. Select Recover Photos. And as you can see, we have successfully recovered the photos from the recently deleted section. Now, if you go back to the library section, you will find the photos which we have recovered. And this is how you can recover recently deleted photos on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.